I'm at Joe's home here in Wildwood. This is our basement unit. He is looking to replace the air conditioning system alone. Here's a return. Already has an external filter rack attached to it. Copper lines for both units go up, out, and down that side wall. Our AC sit right directly on the other side of that. Right next to the basement unit is the first floor system. External filter rack. Furnace was replaced in 2008, so we are not looking to replace the furnace, just the air conditioning system. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention about the gas line here, we need to bring it up to code. That elbow, we need to put a sediment trap there, and there is a union inside of this unit that we need to pull out. This one here, this is our first floor, and no sediment trap is in here either. So we are going to bring both of those up to code. Breaker panel is directly behind here. That's where the ACs are fed.